Welcome back, my followers. I'm your host, Ricky Knoles, and this is another episode of Knoles Cool Stuff. And today on Knoles Cool Stuff, we're trying something a little different. We are exploring the world of Chinese online shopping. And we visit this site called Taobao. It's an internet website here in China. You can also access it through your smartphone app. And basically what it is like a place you can buy all different types of things. But when I first came to China, somebody said, oh, don't buy from there because there's a lot of fake stuff there. So fake stuff. So I didn't buy from it, but then I decided, are fake items really that bad? So, on this new segment of Knoles Cool Stuff, buying on Taobao, real or fake? And inside this box is my very first item from Taobao. Is it real or is it fake? Let's see and open it here on Knoles Cool Stuff. Hi everybody, so here is my very first package from Taobao. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. So we're going to open it up and see what did I buy. Alright, so open it up. Ooh, some nice bubble wrapping. And we bought, now there is a case. Oh, there you go. Turn this around. Alright, so I bought the Google Pixel 3a XL. Alright, let's see what else is in the box. Oh, what's this? This is a charger. Alright. Where's the charger? Come on, get out. Here's the charger that came with the box. It was attached. That's weird. Right. Maybe they gave me the charger because for Chinese charging, maybe. Let's put that to the side. And here is what we have. All right. The Pixel 3a XL. All right. Put those off to the side. So we can see it has black, but I didn't buy the black one. I bought the, what's the one? Purplish, the purple one. But let's take a look at the box. Now you let me know down below whether you think this is real or fake. Because I can't really tell because I never owned a Google phone. All right. I did my research and it looks like the real box. Now I know for a fact that's what the back of the box looked like. All right. So let's open it. Now let me know, did Google have a thing where, it's hard to open. Come on, come out. There we go. All right. So let me know, did Google have seals on the box or no seals on the box? Let's open it up. Oh, well, it is the purplish one. That's weird. Shouldn't the box have the purple color on the front? I know the white one had the white color, the black had the black. Shouldn't the purple have the purple too? So which means that does not bode well where if it's real or fake. Let's put this aside. Let's put the phone off to the side. Let's see what else comes in the box. All right, well, I know this is right. It has the little G logo. We open it. All right. Take this out. This is the paperwork. Simtool Team Pixel. Now this is weird. Look. This is a Verizon thing. Because it's supposed to be the American version. This is Verizon. I'm hoping it's not locked. Pixel user guide. And your other safety stuff. So, let me know down in the comment. Do you think this is real or fake? So far, it looks pretty real, in my opinion. I know for a fact that it does have this, the adapter. The USB-A to USB-C. So, there. I'm not going to take it out of the box. Now, right here is supposed to be a charger. I know that. But, no charger. So, I don't have the original charger in the box. Instead, they gave me this one. I'm pretty sure this is not the original charger. All right, so, well, that is what's in the box. So by just looking at the box, the contents in the box and the way the box looks, and just a first glance at the phone, real or fake? Now, let's get to the phone. All right, so here is the phone. It looks pretty wrapped up. I know this is kind of like the same seal that the Google had in the packaging. Still have the accent button. So let's slide this out. All right, like I said, I've never owned a Google device. I know this is supposed to be matte finishing and then glass on top, so that feels correct. All right, got the little G logo. Let's look around. Side SIM. It's a SIM tray. Headphone jack. Speaker. Accent buttons. Feel pretty clean. Now, I know for a fact that most fake phones have it where you could take the top off so you could change out the battery. See if we could try to pry this open. No, I can't pry it open. And there is a screen protector on it already. And it's a glass one, not the plastic one. So which means maybe this is a real one and it's just been refurbished, maybe. But the only way to know is to turn it on. So let's turn it on. Real or fake? Well, it says Google. Powered by Android. Ooh, I'm kind of hoping it's a real one. Because at the end of the thing, I'm going to show you. All right, so hi there. All right. Let's do United States. Vision settings. What's this? Magnification, font size, display. Oh, that's fine. Let's go start. Connect to mobile network. I'll skip that for now. All right, let's look for skip Wi-Fi for now too. We'll come back later. All right, see Eastern time. We'll just leave it here. We'll change that later. All right, Google services. Accept. Unlock with Pixel imprint. Use your fingerprint to unlock your phone. Approve. All right, let's do that. To use fingerprint. So I'm gonna set up a pin. Wait 1 minute. Be right back with me. All right, so enter my pin. Now set up the thing right here. So by just looking at it, do you think this is real or fake? Like I said, I've never owned a Google, so I'm out hoping you, my followers, can tell me if this is real or fake. Right now, it looks pretty real to me. I know I'm rambling right now, but still. Could this be a really good quality fake? Right. Now look at the chin and the forehead. Is that about the same size? So let's take a look. We have our Google apps on it. We have the app drawer. Troop, it's looking for. Now I know for a fact that you can squeeze it to get Google Assistant. Google Assistant squeeze. Oh no! Is this a real Google Pixel phone? I'm not sure. To talk, assistant. We'll sign into our Google account later. I'm not going to do that now. I'll set it up later. All right, so just by looking at it, it looks pretty real to me. But let me know down in the comments. Do you think it's real? Camera. Let's take a look at this. Can you see it? Camera. Camera looks real. See, we got camera mode, video mode, portrait, panorama, more, night sight, photo shape, photo booth, slow motion, and setting. All right, so this is the Google Pixel 3a XL, the one I bought on Taobao. I'm going to go set this up, and we're going to see if it's real or not. Here on Knows Cool Stuff, did I buy a real Google Pixel phone or not? 24 hours with my Google Pixel 3a XL. And the question was, is it real or is it fake? It's real. All right? I don't know how I got this real Google Pixel 3a XL for only, like I told you, like I said, only $145. I paid 997 RB. After converting it, it's about $145. That is a deal. I went on Amazon and I saw that the Google Pixel 3a XL is still going for $300. And you can't even find the purple one. So, how do I know it's real? Well, looking at the hardware itself, usually fake ones, at least the ones I saw in Beijing, you can pull off the top part to reveal the battery, the disposable battery or battery you can take out and stuff. All right. But this, I try to pull it off. I can't pull it off. Next was, maybe it's the software. Maybe the software is not working well. All right. But the software is working well. I installed a VPN on it, so all the Google stuff will work. I was able to update all my Google updates, no problem. I was able to update from Android 9 to Android 10. No problem. Hey Google Assistant works. Look at that. It works. It has everything. I got the squeeze mode. Works. Okay. So everything on this device works. So the hardware was good. The software was good. It has the always on thing where if it plays a music, it'll tell you what music you're listening to. Check. It has the squeeze assistant. Check. It has dark theme. Check. All right. It had everything. So then I think, okay. Maybe they got around the software. How about the camera? So I went out. It was a cloudy day today. I took some pictures. I can't really compare it to some real pictures from Google because I never owned a Google Pixel, but from what I could tell, it's a really good camera. All right. That's okay. Well, maybe night mode. So I took some pictures at night. Looked great. So then I decided to use night sight. Maybe night sight doesn't work too well on this phone. It worked. I was amazed because everybody kept telling me, hey, if you buy on Taobao, it will be a fake phone, maybe fake items. But this is the original Google Pixel 3a XL. Yes, they gave me the black box instead of the purple box, but you're not really buying it for the box. Right? I didn't get the original charger. I got another charger, but it still works. And it was probably made so the charger was probably made so I could plug it here in China. Right? Because this is supposed to be the American version, and we know it might be the American version because we saw a Verizon thing inside the box, paperwork in the box. So this is a pretty good deal, right? $145 for the Google Pixel 3a XL and the purple one. I went on Amazon. It's still going for $300. I even saw one for $350. But when I tried to click on the purple one on Amazon, it said sold out. So it was lucky, right? On Taobao, I found that real one. I was surprised. I was hoping it to be fake, but it turned out to be real. All right, I'm not going to keep rambling. All right, I hope you enjoyed this. Leave a comment and let me know what other phone do you want me to buy or other gadget you want me to buy on Taobao to see if it's real or fake. All right. If you like this video, hit the like button. Hit the bell for notifications for more great videos from Knoles Cool Stuff. And don't forget to subscribe if you really like this content. Now, if you want to stick around, I'm going to let you see the pictures. All right? But if you're ready to leave and click to your next video, then click to your next video. If you want to stay and look at the pictures from this Google Pixel 3a XL, which is real for $145, it's a steal, then stick around and look at the pictures. I'm your host, Ricky Knoles. And as always, my followers, be cool. And hopefully you're lucky that you buy a real one on a website. Till next time.